Hello and welcome to Dragon Lady Crafts. Today we're diving into the world of Python programming. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your coding skills, Python is a powerful language to learn. Python is a versatile, high-level programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used in various fields such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. In Python, you can accomplish tasks with fewer lines of code compared to other languages, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced programmers. It uses indentation to define code blocks and enhancing readability and enforcing good programming practice. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object oriented, and functional programming. This flexibility allows developers to choose the approach that best fits their project requirements. One of Python's greatest strengths is its extensive library support. The Python Package Index contains thousands of libraries and frameworks that can be easily integrated into your projects, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, Python's community is vibrant and supportive, offering countless resources, tutorials, and forums to help you along your programming journey. Whether you have questions or need guidance, there's a wealth of knowledge available online. You will always want to have the most current version of Python installed on your system for optimal performance and to access the latest features. If you do not already have Python installed on your system, this video will show you how to install it on your Windows computer with simple step-by-step instructions. Without further ado, let's get Python installed on our system. The first step in the download process is that we are going to open up our favorite web browser. For me, it's going to be Google Chrome. And then we're going to go to the URL of www.python.org. And then from there, we're going to click on Downloads. And of course, step 2 is you're going to choose whether you want Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, or other. But we're going to be downloading for Microsoft for Windows. And so therefore, we're going to click on Python 3.12.4. And it's going to download Python into our downloads folder because that is our current default directory. So of course, with step 3, once our download is complete, we click on the little arrow that's pointing down, and then we're going to click on the file that we just downloaded, and it will start the process to install Python onto our system. So we're going to make sure that we include our python.exe path. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on Install Now. So now it's going to install Python onto our system. Depending on what you've got going on at the time will depend on how long it takes to install Python onto your system. When Python gets finished installing onto your system, you can go ahead and click on Close, and then we can close out of the web browser. Now we're going to come down to our search bar down at the bottom of our screen, and we're going to type in CMD and click on Command Prompt, and that will bring up a command prompt onto our screen. And once we're into our command prompt, we're going to type in Python dash dash version, and it should show that we are in Python version 3.12.4. Now, in order to verify that Python is working properly, we're going to type Python and then press enter, and it should bring us into our Python shell. To know that you're in your shell, you will see those three little icons. And now we're going to type our first program. We're going to type in print with a bracket and quotation marks. And we're going to say welcome Dragon Lady Crafts visitors. Close out the quotation marks in the bracket and then press enter. And you will see that it repeats Dragon Lady Craft. Welcome Dragon Lady Crafts visitors. So we know our Python program is working. And now to exit out of our Python program, we're going to type exit with brackets, press enter, and you will now see that we are now back into our normal command prompt. So congratulations, you have now installed the latest version of Python onto your computer. You are now ready to start coding in Python and exploring all the possibilities this powerful language has to offer. In conclusion, Python programming is a valuable skill with endless possibilities. Whether you're interested in building websites, analyzing data, or developing machine learning models, Python can help you bring your ideas to life. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to install Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tips and tutorials. See you on the next video.